We didn't even need to go anywhere. Saw them right in our kitchen.
And I did this to my father. We were at home. 4 minutes, 34 seconds, completely gone. My real true opinion is holy words I can't say on camera. This is absolutely unbelievable. I mean, I can feel it.
Who does fireworks this early? Not even 4th of July yet.
Because our portion went out tonight.
So they have their 4th of July and the 3rd of July. I bet they're gonna do one. I bet they're gonna do one with the red, white, and blue colors.
Still going?
I don't know if they stopped, or they're still going, or they're probably lighting more. Yeah, I think they stopped. Okay. I think that's it. Yeah, I think they're done.
I think so.